Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Suresh Talks English. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Suresh and I run this YouTube channel called Suresh Talks English. On this YouTube channel I share my spoken English journeys experience as well as I give some tips and strategies so you can learn English in a very easy, simple and in a fun way. And if you follow my tips and strategies, so you can learn English in a very short period of time. Okay, alright guys, so I have divided this video into two parts. In first part, I am going to share how I used to learn my English and how I used to practice my English. And in second part, I give you 5 golden rules so you can learn English in a very easy and in a very short period of time. So please make sure to watch the video till the end. Don't miss out the video. Okay, alright guys. So I started my spoken English journey 3 years back. And at that time I was low in confidence. I couldn't know how to speak in English and how to frame proper sentences in English. As well as, I was nervous. I was a basic learner. But how I learned English, how I'm speaking this much of English? Simple guys. So when I decided to learn English, I decided to watch my, any kind of videos in English. So I switched to my mother tongue to English language only. So whatever I used to watch only in English language only. Whether it is movies, web series, or comedies, or cartoons, anything. So I decided to watch in English. So that's how, I used to watch and I used to listen a lot. And second thing guys, practice. Practice plays a, vital role to learn English. If you really want to be quick, if you really want to become fluent in English very, very short period of time, then you must start speaking English guys. So practicing is the only active thing we do. And that's how we learn English. So when I started practicing my English, I used to make a lot of mistakes. So if you guys making a lot of mistakes, then don't worry guys. It's quite natural and it is the part of learning. But how I overcome it? When I used to practice my English, I did 2 types of practicing. First one is, I watched some videos and I used to go to my room. There I used to practice my English, self-practicing. I was standing in front of my mirror, and I used to practice there. I used to, framing the sentences. If I don't know anything, I used to frame the sentences in my, in English. And second thing is that I used to practice on English speaking apps. So it is very good method, and in English speaking apps, you will have that talk with a random guy or a stranger. So that's very, very, very good guys. So if you do this thing, 2 things, practicing yourself and practicing with other co-learners. And one thing guys, I'll share my secret. If you are a completely beginner and if you are learning English language, then don't practice with your friends guys, because there are chances, they may discourage you, they may let you down. So that will affect you a lot. That will affect you, and that that will let you down your emotions. So don't practice with your friends. Practice with yourself and go to any second thing is that go to any English speaking apps. There practice with a stranger or practice with a random guy. So don't reveal you are practicing English until you become the fluent. Once you become the fluent, and practice with your friends, but in that time you'll be confident, you know how to speak, you know how to frame the sentences in a situations wise. So you'll be very confident and you are a fluent speaker. At that time you can speak with your friends. But if you are a completely beginner and you are practicing with your friends, don't practice, because your friends may let you down, your friends may make fun of you, they may criticize you. So this is happens. So it happened with me, guys. I shared my experience. So don't practice with your friends until you become fluent in English. All right, guys. So this is how I used to practice. And the second part, uh, okay, guys. So now I'll share some 5 golden rules so you can learn English in a very effective way in a very short period of time. So first golden rule is listen. Because we are completely new to this English language, we don't know completely. So if you really want to learn good English, if you really want to speak good English, then you must listen, guys. Because listening plays a vital role to learn this language. And if you listen, it will improve your pronunciation, listening power, and you'll come to know that how to frame the sentences in order wise and in a situation wise as well. So listen, guys. Make sure to listen. Make sure every single day listen. And second thing is that practice. Practice also plays a vital role. It is very, very important, guys. So it is the main thing. Okay, so when you practice every single day, what happens? Your brain will get used to those words, this language, right? So if you make mistakes, don't worry, guys. Okay, so when you are practicing and if you are making mistakes, then don't worry, guys. Nobody gonna start perfectly. If you are practicing, that means you will be perfect one day. You will become perfect one day. Okay, guys. So don't focus on grammar too much. Okay, so reading and brushing grammar, that's okay, but don't give too much of preference to grammar. Practice every single day, guys. Practice. And third thing is that third golden rule is read some books. Reading books will help you tremendously, guys. So trust me, reading books will help you speak like a native speaker. So make sure to read some books every single day. I'll suggest, if you are a complete beginner, then I would suggest go with story books. Reading story books will help you, and it also help you to develop interest to reading books. And fourth golden rule is develop the habit of writing journal. So if you write something in English, so you actually not writing, you are actually thinking in English. So that's how it help you, guys. So start writing journal. If you want to describe any if you want to describe any situation, or if you want to write stories, then start writing journal. And fifth golden rule is, it is very, very important, guys. Think in English. It is very important. We do all the 4 things: listening, speaking, reading, and writing the journal. But we don't think in English. It is very much important, guys. So if you think in English, then you learn English in a very short period of time. So it really helps you, guys. So you must think in English. Everybody confused when I say think in English. So when you see your surroundings, let's say 2 people are fighting. Frame this sentence, there are the 2 people over there, they are fighting, or they are abusing, or they are going, or they are working, they are doing their work. Farmers working on the fields. Construct this kind of sentences. Whatever you see your surroundings, try to give the name, try to say it in English. So if you do these 5 things every single day, then you will be fluent in English in 3 months. You completely become fluent in English, guys. So I hope all these tips you will follow, and you'll become fluent in English. If you like my video, guys, so please give it a like and share with your friends and family, because your one like and one share will give me a lot of motivation, guys. All right, guys. So, and for more English tips, follow my YouTube channel. Bye, guys.